a guide you to remove ads on your Instagram. Let's open Instagram, scroll down. If you can find any ad, so click on that ad. Of that ad or post, you can have top three dots. So if you have the three dots, click on that, and here on the three dots you can see multiple options will display. And if you click on not interested of the ad, click on not interested, and that ad will be automatically removed. And you can remove all the ads like that. So scroll down, you can top, you can find Instagram. There will be a little arrow icon. So if you click on that, it will show following and favorites. If you click on following, and it will show the post and the videos and the reels only that you're following on Instagram can be appeared here. And you can see here none of the ads will be appear here. So you no need to remove ads, or you no need to worry about that. Thank you.